When removing the shaft assembly, make sure that whatever you're pushing it out with is small enough to fit through the hole of that connecting rod. This is a good time to inspect the cam bearing for any damage. If the pump had been run while leaking for long enough, the chemical can actually get into the cam bearing and wash the grease out of it. If that cam bearing is shot, you'll need to replace the shaft and cam bearing assembly as one. Also check your main bearings and check that they don't feel lumpy and that they turn nice and smooth. From here, you can pull out that connecting rod and inspect these flat areas for any wear. That would be enough to feel with your thumbnail and replace as necessary. Next, we can actually push out the sleeves. To do that, you'll want to have something that will fit on top of that sleeve, but also be able to slip through that bore in the body. There's a special tool for that listed in the owner's manual if needed. Press that out and inspect the inside of this sleeve for any deep enough scratches to feel with your fingernail or any pitting. If the pump is sat with chemical in it for a long period of time, you may get pitting inside of this sleeve, and that will cause a leak even with a new seal. Check this O-ring. This is also in the repair kit. And make sure that this brass ring is in good condition. We'll push out the other sleeve. Inspect that sleeve for any vertical scratches or pitting and replace as necessary. Next, let's talk about the valves.